Let's check out the EQ3. Let me load it. EQ3 is an EQ that is taken from the DJ Mixer EQ, where we have knobs for low, mids, and high frequencies. We can turn them down all the way or boost them up to 6 dB. Right underneath them, we have kill knobs where we can basically just kill that band of frequency. So let's check it out. Let's cut the mids. Nice. We also see indication LEDs telling us how much signal we got into those bands of frequencies, killing the highs. Let's kill the lows. Nice. Right here on the bottom, we have the frequency band ranges where we can adjust what's the low frequency, so 250 and below. Let's kill the mid and high so we can listen to just that. We can adjust what's the low band is controlling. We have the high. Let's go to the high. And here's the frequency of the high. So for example, 4,000 and above. And the mid will be anything between these two knobs. Nice. We also have the 24 and 48, which will decide how steep is the slope in those between the bands that are filtered. So a higher number will result in a slightly more CPU, but a cleaner frequency division. We can also right-click on the EQ3, turn off flat response, which will give us a bit more coloring in between the frequency bands. And just to note that this EQ was not meant to be a very clean EQ. It's more of an EQ for coloring, and again, aimed to be sounding like an analog EQ from a DJ mixer.